सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायां 84 श्लोकपर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः अधीतं। भवन्तः जानन्ति 100 श्लोकाः तत्र वर्तन्ते संक्षेपरामायणे। तत्र 84 श्लोकाः पठिताः सम्यक्तया। अद्य 85तमः श्लोकः पठनीयः वर्तते। अनदर 15 श्लोकास् 15 श्लोकाः इदानीं शेषाः वर्तन्ते समापयितुम् एतद् संक्षेपरामायणम्। सो श्रीनिवास, श्लोकः पठ्यताम्। अभिषिच्य च। पृष्ठसंख्या जानाति न?
अभिषिच्य च लङ्कायां राक्षसेन्द्रं
विभीषणं
कृतकृत्यस्तदा रामो विज्वरः प्रमुमोदः।
श्लोकः अभिषिच्य पदच्छेदः च लङ्कायां राक्षसेन्द्रं विभीषणं कृतकृत्यः तदा रामः विज्वरः प्रमुमोदः इति। पदपरिचयं कुर्मः। अभिषिच्य द्यवन्तं च अव्ययं लङ्कायां राक्षसेन्द्रम् अकारान्त समस्तपदं विभीषणं कृतकृत्यः तदा तद्धितान्तम् अव्ययं रामः विज्वरः समस्तपदं प्रमुमोद एकवचनं ह इति अव्ययम्। एतानि पदानि अत्र सन्ति श्लोके। पुनः आकाङ्क्षां पश्यामः यथा नित्यं यद्वयं कुर्मः। प्रमुमोद, रिजॉइस्ड, फेल्ट हाईली हैप्पी, greatly happy. Pramumoda, pra upasarga here enhances the meaning of the moda, mud moda dhatu. Like moda, pramoda we have. Moda is joy, pramoda is greater joy. Prakrustena prakrusta modaha. So pramumoda, enjoyed, rejoiced, felt high, greatly happy. Kaha pramumoda, who felt happy greatly? Rama felt happy, rejoiced. Pramumoda. Modate, modete, modante iti atmanepada padi dhatuhu ayam. Atmanepadi iti modate, modete, modante iti bhavati. Pramumoda iti lit rupam tatra. Kidrushaha Ramaha pramumoda. What type of Rama did enjoy or rejoice? Vijwaraha. Vijwaraha. Jwara here does not mean our jwara, but any tension. Vigataha jwaraha. Vigataha. Vigata chinta. Vigata chinta. Vijwaraha iti. So Rama, who had got rid of his anxiety, tension free Rama, Vijwaraha, enjoyed. Punascha again, Kidrushaha Ramaha Pramumoda. Again, what type of Rama did rejoice? Kritakrityaha. Kritakrityaha is a word popularly used. One who has accomplished any work is supposed to be a Kritakritya. So Kritakrityaha Rama, Rama who had accomplished his task of winning over defeating Ravana, so he enjoyed. Kim krutva Ramaha Vijvaraha Kritakrityaha cha abhavat. Doing what did Rama become tension free and what do you say, accomplished?
Abhishitya.
Abhishitya, having coronated. Not that Rama, after defeating Ravana, he did not take over the kingdom of Lanka. He immediately gave the kingdom to his brother Vibhishana. So having coronated, having done the coronation of Lanka government over to his brother. Kam Abhishitya, coronating whom? Kam whom? Abhishitya, having coronated. Coronating whom he became joyous and he became accomplished, felt accomplished. So that is the answer. Vibhishanam Abhishitya, having coronated, empowered Vibhishana. Vibhishanam. Kidrusham Vibhishanam Abhishitya. What type of Vibhishana did he coronate?
Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Abhishitya.
Rakshasendram, that is the adjective here Visheshana used for this Vibhishana. Rakshasendram, Rakshasanam Indraha, Tam Rakshasendram Vibhishanam, that lord of the Rakshasas, the king of the Rakshasas, Vibhishana. Because even his sons were killed, Indrajit and other sons were also killed in the battle by Rama. So who was left then? Only brother. So Vibhishanam Rakshasendram Abhishitya, Rajye Abhishitya Pramumoda. That is Vibhishanam Kutra Abhishitya. Where did Rama coronate Vibhishana?
Lankayam.
Of course, that is understood. Lankayam Abhishitya. In Lanka. So this is how the Akanksha is over. Anvayartham Padatu Srinivas.
Tada Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Lankayam Abhishitya Kritakrityaha Vijvaraha Ramaha Pramumodaha.
Tada then Rakshasendram, the lord of the demons, Vibhishanam, that is Vibhishana, Lankayam in Lanka, Abhishitya, having coronated, Kritakrityaha, becoming fulfilled, Vijvaraha, having got rid of the anxiety, Cha and Rama Pramumoda, felt greatly happy indeed. Ha is avyaya, which means indeed, and sometimes has no meaning also. Pada Purana it can be. Ha and he, we come across he also. He, nu, nanu, those are all. Now Padartham Srinivas, Tada, Tasmin Kale, that time. Then that time, Rakshasendram, Rakshasarajam, Vibhishanam, Vibhishanakyam Ravanasya Anujam Ravananujam, the younger brother of Ravana. Lankayam, Lankabhidhayam Nagariyam, in the city called Lanka, in the city named Lanka. Abhidha is name. Abhishitya, Pratisthapya. This is also Lyabanta. Pratistapana, Pratistapana we say na? Establishing. Like Vigraha Pratistapana we do. Pratistapya, having established, enthroned in the Lanka. Then Kritakrityaha, Kritarthaha. Kritakrityaha, Kritarthaha, accomplished, feeling accomplished of his Vijvaraha, Gatatapaha, with Taparahitaha, that is also Vijvaraha, Vigataha, Jvaraha, that's Chinta. Cha is cha only, Ramaha, Raghavaha, Pramumoda, Prasannaha, Abhavat, Amodata. If you take the same Mudadatu, Modate, Modete, Modante, in Lang Lakara, what will be Amodata? Pramumoda is equal to Amodata, Amodata, rejoiced. Amodata, Prasannaha, Abhavat. But Prasannaha is not, Abhavat is understood here, Srinivas. Prasannaha is not the correct. Prasannaha Abhavat. Prasannaha Babuva, became greatly happy. Bhavartham.
सीता समागमानन्तरं
समागमानन्तरं
लङ्काराज्ये राक्षसश्रेष्ठस्य विभीषणस्य यथाविधि राज्याभिषेकं कारयित्वा कृतार्थः
चिन्तातापः
च रामः
परं प्रसन्नः बभूव। भावार्थः एवमस्ति, सीता समागम अनन्तरं, सीतायाः समागमन अनन्तरं, सीता समागमनानन्तरं, आफ्टर obtaining Sita, having that is it, Lanka Rajye, in the kingdom of Lanka, Rakshasa Sreshthasya, the best of the demons, Vibhishanasya, to the best of the demons Vibhishana, Yathavidhi, as per the procedure, Rajyabhishekam, coronation, Karayitva, having got it done. Rama made the coronation, got the coronation of Vibhishana, the best of the Rakshasas, done. Karayitva, Krutva nahi, Karayitva, this is Nich Prayoga, Nijanta, that is Prerana, Preranarte, Nich. Getting Vibhishana coronated, Krutarthaha, feeling accomplished, Gata Chinta Tapaha, and having got rid of all the anxiety, Ramaha Param, supreme, highly Prasannaha Babu, he became highly pleased, having got after killing the Ravana and having established in the throne of Lanka his brother Vibhishana, etc. Okay, English is okay, I think. Now, Vyakarnam Sampashyamah, Srinivas. Sandayaha Dvau Sandhi. Rakshasendram, Rakshasa Indram Gunasandhi. Krutakrutyastada. Sandhi Dvayam Kevalam Samasaha Trayamasti Atra. Rakshasendram.
Rakshasanam Indraha Rakshasendra Tam Rakshasendra.
Iti Shashtitatpusha. Vijvaraha.
Vigataha jvaraha yasya saha bahuvrihi.
Vigataha jvaraha. Jvara here also means that, but here it means chinta. Vigata chinta, vigata chintaha. Yasya saha, you can say. Vijvaraha. Krutakrutyah.
Krutam krutyam yena saha bahuvrihi.
Krutam krutyam. Krutyam nama karyam. Krutam ktanta. Krutam ktanta prayogaha. Krutam krutyam yena saha, the one by whom the act is performed, accomplished. So you go, I told you, in understanding the Vigraha Vakya, you have to go from left to right to understand in English. Saha, he, yena, by whom, krutyam, an act, krutam is accomplished. He, by whom an act is accomplished. So to say, the one who has accomplished the act. Krutakrityaha. This is Bahuri. In Bahuri you have to go always understand from left to right. Like Chakrapanihi is there. While giving the Vigraha Vakya, Chakram Panau Yasya Saha. He, the one who, in whose hand there is the chakra, there is the disc. So like that. The Krudanta only one Srinivas. Abhishichya. Abhi iti upasargaha. Sicha sincha iti dhatu. Sinchati sinchataha sinchanti. Shakuntala vrikshan sinchati. Shakuntala sprinkles, waters the plants. Vayamapi gruheshu vrikshan sinchamaha. Jalena sinchamaha. So that is the dhatu here. Lyap is there. Abhishichya. You know, sakara becomes shakara in the sandhi rule is there. So abhyasaha eka shashtitamaha. Based on sloka 85. Visleshananusaram sloke prayuktam padam likatha. So what is he asking? Akarananta pullinga dvitiya ekavachanam visheshanam. Adjective, what is it? Rakshasendram. This is an adjectival to Vibhishanam. Rakshasendram. Good. Akaranta pullinga dvitiya ekavachanam visheshyam. Again I have told just now, Vibhishanam. Akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachana visheshanam again. This is prathama ekavachana. No. Is there Krutakrutya? Yeah, that is also there. Vijvaraha is also there. So anyone you can take. Vijvaraha is better. Both are okay. Then Akaranta pullinga prathama ekavachanam visheshyam. Noun. Ramaha. Visheshyam. Noun. Visheshana adjective, Visheshya noun. Then the fifth one. Akaranta strilinga saptami ekavachana visheshyam. Lankayam. We know that. Lanka saptami ekavachana Lankayam visheshyam. So, Prathamamshaha Susampannaha Uttaram Likata. Now you write answers for this. Pramumoda ityasya karta kaha. Who is the agent of the verb, lit form of the verb? Pramumoda. Ramaha. So, total answer will be Pramumoda ityasya karta Ramaha. Dvitiyam Krutakrutyaha iti kasya visheshanam. Whose adjective is Krutakrutya? Now the answer should be Kasya, for Kasya, Srinivas. Question is Kasya here. Like above Kaha you said Ramaha. Kasya should give the answer Ramasya. Ramasya. Shashti. So Krutakrutyaha iti Ramasya Visheshanam. That is the answer. Vijvaraha iti cha Kasya Visheshanam. Again Vijvaraha is whose adjective it is? Ramasya. Rakshasendram iti Visheshanam Kasya Krute Prayuktam. For whom is this Rakshasendram adjective used? Vibhishanasya. So whenever you see, the question should be answered appropriately. Kasya means Vibhishanasya Krute. So your answer will be Rakshasendram iti Visheshanam Vibhishanasya Krute Prayuktam. Used. Then the last one, Rakshasendram ityatra kaha samasaha. Rakshasendram ityatra kaha samasa upari eva dattah kalu. There only, first one, same page, top. Shashti tatpurusha samasaha. First one is that samasa. Rakshasendram ityatra kaha samasaha. Shashti tatpurushaha samasaha. You can see right on the top answer. Trutiyamshaha Srinivas. Uttaram lekhaniyam likat. Kaha pramumoda. Who rejoiced?
Rama.
Quick. Ramaha pramumoda. Saha kimartham pramumoda. Why did he rejoice? Saha krutakrutyaha Vijvaraha cha pramumoda. Or saha krutakrutyaha pramumoda. Vijvaraha also you can take. Then third one, saha katham krutakrutyaha abhavat. How did he become accomplished? Saha katham, how, krutakrutyaha abhavat. How did he become accomplished? By doing what, that is? Saha Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Abhisichya Krutakrutyaha Abhavat. Or you can say Saha Vibhishanam Lankayam Abhisichya Krutakrutyaha Abhavat. Saha Ramaha, everywhere Saha refers to Rama here. Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Kutra Abhishiktavan. Saha Rakshasendram Vibhishanam Lankayam Abhishiktavan. So this is Tavatu Pratyanta Srinivas. Abhishiktavan. Abhishekam Krutavaniti. Kasya Vibhishanasya Abhishekam Krutavan. कारितवान्. Okay. न सः रामः कथं विज्वरः जातः? How did he become tension free? I think for this kind of repetitive only. सः कृतकृत्यः भूत्वा विज्वरः अभवत् जातः. How did he become relaxed having accomplished this task? सः कृतकृत्यः भूत्वा विज्वरः जातः. So I am repeating this for the our students, listeners. सः कृतकृत्यः भूत्वा, having become the accomplished, विज्वरः जातः, he became tension free. Fourth, यथोदाहरणं रिक्तस्थानं पूरयत. Filling in the blanks, Srinivas. One is done for you. अभिषिच्य ल्यप, अभिषिच्य. Second, abhigamlyap, abhigamya. True. Abhigamya means going near, having approached. Abhimantra lyap, abhimantriya, mantriya, having given counsel. Pratipad nich lyap. Oh, prati is upasarga, pada dhatu, nich prayoga in preranartha. And lyabanta, lyap. Pratipadya. When nich comes, you get dirgha. Karoti, karayati. So, pratipadya. Pari, I think we will write this later. What is the next one? Last one. Pari plus tyaj plus lyap. That is very simple. Parityaj. Sarva dharman parityajya. Mamekam sharanam vraja. Standard sloka from the Gita. Parityajya. Parityaj lyap. Panchamamshaha. So what is to be written here? Only difficult. Pratipadya. Repeat. We will repeat. Ka abhigamya. 3 abhimantriya. 4 pratipadya. Parityajya. Simple. Antimaha manye, antimaha amshaha, panchamaamshaha. Karmani kartariva parivartati. This has to be written because a bit difficult this is for the beginners. Active voice to passive voice, passive to kartru vachyat karma karmani kartari evam parivartanam. Okay, first one is done. 4 you have to do. Ramah Lankayam Vibhishanam Abhishiktava. What is this? Kartari or Karmani? You tell me, Srinivas. Is it Kartari? Etad Vakyam Kartari Vakyam va Karmani Vakyam va? Kartari. That is called in Sanskrit Kartari Vakyam. Kartari Prayoga. Yatra Kartuhu Pradhanyam Bhavati Tad Vakyam Kartari Prayoga. Saprayoga Kartari Prayoga. Yatra Karma Pradhanyam Diyate, Karmanaha Pradhanyam Diyate, Saprayoga Karmani Prayoga. Where the object is highlighted, that is passive. Where the agent, the doer is highlighted, that is active voice. In active voice, it is direct. Passive voice, the agent becomes passive. The object becomes active. Understand? We have done this now, many times we have done in the class. Okay. Now that is Rama immediately goes to Tritiya. Ramena. Lankayam stands same. Lankayam. Vibhishanam, which is in which case? Dvitiya. Then Dvitiya it should go to Karmani Prayoga Pratama. So Vibhishana. Ramena Lankayam Vibhishana Pratama. Then Abhishiktavan is a verb in agreement in Kartari Prayoga with whom? Ramaha. Abhishiktavan is in agreement with Ramaha. Ramaha Abhishiktavan. Rama coronated. So the verb now has to go with karma in Karmani Prayoga. What is the karma? Vibhishanaha. Pratama. Therefore this also becomes Pratama. Ramena Lankayam Vibhishanaha Abhishiktaha. We have to take the help of here. What Prayoga, Srinivas? Ktanta. Right, Ktanda, Abhishiktaha. So total meaning, Vibhishana was coronated by Rama in Lanka. Vibhishana was coronated by Rama in Lanka. Ramena. Active voice, Rama coronated Vibhishana in Lanka. Meaning is same. Let's go. Hanuman Lankayam Sitam Anvishtavan. Direct. This is Kartari Prayoga. Hanuman searched Sita in Lanka. Now you do.
Hanumatena.
No. Hanuman. Hanumat Shabda Hanuman. Bhagavan. Bhagavantau Bhagavantaha. Bhagavantam Bhagavantau Bhagavataha. Bhagavata Narayanena. Hanumata.
Hanumata Lankayam. Sita.
Sita. Very good. From Sitam Dvitiya to Prathama Sita.
Anvishtaha.
Sita is Strilinga. Again, one thing I did not tell you. If if the subject, if the Karturpada is Pullinga, the verb will be Pullinga. If the Karturpada above, what is the above Karturpada? Vibhishana. Abhishiktaha. Sita. Anvishta. It's very simple. You have to catch this. So, what is the total? Again, repeat. Hanumata Lankayam Sita Anvishta. Sita was searched by Hanuman in Lanka. Or else Hanuman searched for Sita in Lanka. Both are same. Rama Valinam Hatavan. This is also active voice. Rama killed Vali. Subject, object, verb. Only 3 words are there.
Ramena.
What do we say? Karta, karma, kriya. Ramena.
Valinaha.
No. Valinam is Dvitiya. Vali. Valin Shabda this is. Like what? Gunin Shabda. Guni. Guninau. Guninaha. Guninam. Guninau. Guninaha. So remember that. Vali. Ramena. Vali. Hataha. That's it. Simple. Ramena Vali Hataha. Good. Then one more. Ghana. Hanumata Lankayam Akshaya Kumaraha Hataha. What voice? Kaha prayoga hatra? Vakya? Kartru. Na. Karmani prayoga. Hanumata by Hanuman. Lankayam in Lanka, Akshaya Kumara, the son of Ravana's Putraha, Hataha was killed. Akshaya Kumar was killed, not our film actor. Akshaya Kumar was killed in Lanka by Hanuman. Now we have to make it active voice. Hanuman, Lankayam stands same. Lankayam. Akshaya Kumaram, Hatavan. That's it. Hanuman, now you see these 2 words. Hanuman, Hatavan. Tavatu. This is the beauty of this. Hanuman, Hatavan. Kam Hatavan Hanuman? Akshaya Kumaram. Akshaya Kumaram Kutra Hatavan? Lankayam Hatavan. Hanumata Akshaya Kumar Lankayam Akshaya Kumara Hataha Maritaha Vyapaditaha. There are so many other verbs also. Good. And the last one, Sugrivena. This is also coming in Karmani Prayog. Ramaha Valivadhaya Prarthitaha. Meaning, Rama was requested by Sugriva for killing Vali. Rama was requested by Sugriva for killing Vali. That is the meaning. So we go to Sugrivaha. Sugrivaha Ramam Valivadhaya. That stands same. Valivadhaya Prarthitavan. Sugrivaha Ramam Valivadhaya Prarthitavan. I think this only will write, because let them. So you repeat, I write. Where is our duster, man? Oh God. Pen only I will take. Abhyasa 61. 5th point. One, this
Ka
is
is already given. Ka.
Ka is given. Okay, Ka is given. Answer.
Hanumata Lankayam Sita Antishta Ramena
Ramaha becomes Ramena.
Vali
Valinam becomes Vali.
Hata
Oh, this is rich.
Valinam becomes
Hataha. Ramena Hataha. Vali Hataha.
Ka.
Ka.
Hanuman Lankayam
Lankayam stands same actually. You can also write Lankayam this way, Srinivas. Simple way, allowed. Lankayam.
Ram Akshay here.
Because vowel is coming, Akshaya.
Kumaram
Hatavan. Hanuman Hatavan. Akshaya Kumaram Hatavan. Nya.
Sugrivaha Ramam
Sugrivaha Ramam
Valivadhaya
This stands same from the given sentence. Vadaya Prarthitavan. Over.
Hanumata Lankayam Sita Anvisham Ramena Vali Hanuman Lankayam Akshay Kumaram Sugrivaha Ramam Valivadhaya Prarthitavan.
So mostly we have to have the knowledge of converting from active voice to passive voice. Kartari prayoga to karmani prayoga. Diktanta prayoga, diktanta participles you should be using mostly. Ta and tavatu both are useful here in converting this. So evam abhyasah ekashishtitamah abhyasah samaptah bhavati. Idanim anyam slokam patamah. षडशीतितमं श्लोकं पठ्यते. श्लोकः पठ्यते. अस्मिन् श्लोके पदच्छेदः एवमस्ति. देवताभ्यः वरं प्राप्य प्राप्य समुत्थाप्य च वानरान् अयोध्यां प्रस्थितः रामः पुष्पकेन सुहृद्भिः वृतः इति. पदपरिचयं पश्यामः. देवताभ्यः अत्र देवता शब्दः अस्ति. तत्र शब्दद्वयमस्ति. देवता शब्दः स्त्रीलिङ्गः, देवशब्दः पुल्लिङ्गः. देवताभ्यः देवेभ्यः अथवा यदि अयं शब्दः पुल्लिङ्गे यदि प्रयुक्तः स्यात् देवेभ्यः इति भवति. अत्र अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः न प्रयुक्तः, आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः प्रयुक्तः. Oh, there is a mistake. Akaranta Strilinga Panchami Bahuvachana it is. Devatabhyaha Panchami Bahuvachana. There is a mistake. Even Pratama ekavachana is wrong. Yeah. Panchami bahuvachana. Okay, simple, we know that. Varam prapya levantam avyayam. Samuthapya. This is also levanta but nijanta also. Cha avyayam. Vanaran vidya bahuvachanam. Ayodhyam prasthitaha. Ramaha akaranta pullingaha. Pushpakena. पुष्पक विमानेन इति सुहृत् वृतः समस्त पदान् अनन्तरं पश्यामः आकाङ्क्षा इदानीं प्रस्थितः नाम स्टार्टेड बट अत्र आंग्ल अनुवादः एवम् अस्ति फ्लू इति प्रस्थितः मीन्स् स्टार्टेड एक्चुअली प्रस्थानं कृतवान् इति प्रस्थितः नाम प्रस्थानं कृतवान् प्रस्थितः स्टार्टेड वेंट जगाम इति प्रस्थितः नाम जगाम कः प्रस्थितः हु स्टार्टेड हु वेंट रामः प्रस्थितः बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई प्रस्थान किया फ्लू इज नॉट ए करेक्ट वर्ड एनीवे रामः कुत्र प्रस्थितः वेयर डिड राम गो और स्टार्ट टू Rama started towards Ayodhya. Kidrushah Rama Ayodhyam prasthita. What type of Rama started for Ayodhya? Rama, who was accompanied by his friends, started towards Ayodhya. Suhridvrtah. Suhridbihi, accompanied by his friends and whatever is well-wishers. Then Rama kena prasthitaha. With whom did Rama start? By what did Rama start? Like by what vehicle, so to say? Rama kena vahanena prasthitaha. By Rama pushpakena, pushpaka vimanena prasthitaha. Rama started by the pushpaka vimana viro. Saha kim krutva prasthitaha. He started doing what? Saha varam, saha Ramaha varam prapya, having obtained a boon, he started. Saha kebhyaha varam prapya prasthitaha, having got, from whom did he get the boon and started? He got a boon from the gods and then started. Puraha kim krutva prasthitaha, again doing what did he start? Samuthapya, having, samuthapya means having enlivened or aroused, literally means awaken, having awaken, or enlivened is better, sanjivya. Samuthapya means having enlivened, whom the so-called dead vanaras. Okay, next. Kan samuthapya prasthitaha, enlivening, otherwise what you called arousing, whom did he start? So the vanaras who were either put to swoon, murcha, or were temporarily dead, all those vanaras were made to, brought back to life. So that is samuthapya means that. Anvayam, Srinivas.
सुहृद्वृतः रामः देवताभ्यः वरं प्राप्य वानरान् समुत्थाप्य च पुष्पकेन अयोध्यां प्रस्थितः.
So this is Sankshepa Ramayanam, so in a very not brief manner we are coming to the end now. Suhrid vrutaha, suhrid vrutaha, suhrid bihi mitraihi vrutaha avrutaha Ramaha, accompanied by his friends and well-wishers. Devatabhyaha varam prapya, having got a boon from the gods. Vanaran samuthapya, having aroused, enlivened the dead and swooned monkeys. Pushpakena vimanena, by the flight called Pushpaka. Jumbo, not Jumbo, it's a mythical aeroplane, Pushpaka, they say, which flew without any fuel and also had a capacity, great capacity. Ayodhyam prasthita, he started towards You know the owner of this Pushpaka Vimana? Kubera. Originally, Kubera, the half brother of Ravana, Kubera is the brother, step brother of Ravana, he owned it. But Ravana by force took it and kicked Kubera, and from Lanka, Kubera fell into Himalayas. So Kuberasthana is Himalayas. From there he shifted his home, being kicked by his brother Ravana. So originally the Pushpaka Vimana belonged to Kubera. Like the what diamond originally belongs to India, Hyderabad, that Kohinoor. Like Kohinoor diamond originally comes from our place, this place Hyderabad, Golconda. Now it is with the British. Recently it was in something like that. Srinivas Padartha. Sukhrud Dhrutaha. Avritaha. Ravaha, Raghavaha. Devatabhyaha. Surebhyaha. Varam Prapya. Vanaran Kapin Samuthapya. Samyak Prabodhya. Samjivya is better. Samjivya means having enlivened. Cha tata Pushpakena Vimanena. Good. Ayodhyam, Ayodhya Purim, Ayodhya Nagarim Prasthitaha, Pratisthitavan. Started. Flu is not that good. Started, you take. Prasthan. Bhavartham padatu Srinivas.
वानरादिभिः सुहृद्भिः समावृतः रामः पूर्वं देवेभ्यो वरं लब्ध्वा तत्प्रभावात् युद्धे हतान् मूर्छितान् च वानरादीन्
Samjivya. Oh, that is the word here used. Samjivya.
कुबेरप्राप्तेन
Pushpakakhya Vimanena.
पुष्पकाख्यविमानेन अयोध्यां प्रति
Pratishtata. Prasthitaha is Tanta Prayoga, Srinivas. How do you split this? Prastha. Dhatu is stha tishtati. Tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. Prastha. In Tanta Prasthitaha is one. Now here is Pratishtata is Lang Prayoga. Pra is Upasargana. Tishta is Dhatu. So when Upasarga comes, you know the usage. The lung maker akara comes after the upasarga. Pra plus a. So dirgha, savarna dirgha takes pratishtata means started. So that is how you get pratishtata. Vanaradibihi, suhrudbihi, by friends and monkeys, samavrutaha, surrounded, accompanied, Rama being accompanied by friends and the monkeys, Purvam Devebhyaha Varam Labdva, having got a boon from the gods to the effect that all those who were killed in the battle may be restored to life. That is the vara here. Devebhyaha Varam Labdva Tat Prabhavat Tat Tasya Varasya Prabhavat, due to the power of that boon, Yuddhe Rane, Hatan, Maritan, Murchitan, Cha Vanaran, Sanjivya, having enlivened, brought back to life all the monkeys who were either swooned or killed in the battle. Kubera Praptena. No, Srinivas, that is it. Kubera is here. Kubera Praptena Pushpaka Akhya Vimanena. The Vimana which was there with which was owned by Kubera, Ayodhyam Prati Pratishtata. The Rama started towards the Ayodhya. English is very elaborative. I think it is fine only, Srinivas. Having received a boon to the effect, okay. See, it has given, I did not go through earlier, that had been snatched by Ravana from his half brother. What I told you. So readers should know, Pushpaka Vimana originally belonged to Kubera, that was by force taken by Ravana. Anyway, right. Vyakaranamshan Pashyama, Srinivas. व्याकरणं सन्धिद्वयं देवताभ्यो वरं देवताभ्यः वरं वेरी सिंपल प्रस्थितो रामः प्रस्थितः रामः विसर्ग उभयत्र विसर्ग संधिः समासः एकः एव समासः सुहृद् वृतः सुहृद्भिः वृतः सुहृद् तृतीय तत्पुरुष देन कृदन्ताः त्रयः शब्दाः प्राप्य प्र आप इति धातु ल्यप् प्राप्य मीन्स लब्ध्वा समुत्थाप्य सम इति उपसर्ग उत् इज द अगेन उपसर्ग सम उपसर्ग उत् उपसर्ग स्था इति धातुः निच् निजंत इज देयर इन प्रेरणार्थ ल्यप् इज प्रत्यय ल्यप् प्रत्यय सम उत्थाप्य so stha become thapa sthapa samutthapya having aroused having that is the literal meaning samjivya iti prasthitah pra iti upasarga stha iti dhatuh ktanta prayoga that is what I told you prasthita the difference between prasthita and pratishtata you observed here pratishtata in bhavartha last word pratishtata means lang prayoga prasthita is tanta prayoga pratishtata okay that is over now abhyasa Srinivas द्विषष्टितमः अभ्यासः एक प्रथमांश श्लोकं पठित्वा उत्तरं लिखत okay we have already read the poem रामः कुत्र प्रस्थितः where did Rama start अयोध्याम that's it Ramah take out kutra Ayodhyam prasthitah Rama started to Ayodhya okay Saha Ramah understood Kaihi vrutah prasthitah surrounded accompanied by whom did he start Saha you take out Kaihi Suhrudbihi vrutah आवृतः सुहृद्भिः वृतः प्रस्थितः 3 सह रामः पुनः केन साधनेन प्रस्थितः by what means did he start Srinivas सह by what means केन साधनेन पुष्पक should not take so much time सह पुष्पक विमानेन प्रस्थितः पुष्पक विमानेन पुष्पकेन और पुष्पक विमानेन it is only pushpakena it is given here pushpaka you can say pushpaka vimanena then saha Ramah understood kim krutva prasthitah doing what did he start saha vanaran samutthapya prasthitah ante saha Ramah kan samutthapya oh wait a minute then kan is saying doing what he did start means that's the same answer okay saha kan samuttapya so you say kim krutva means samuttapya the answer for the gha would be saha samuttapya prasthitah then comes saha kim kan samuttapya prasthitah having aroused or enlivened whom did he start means Vanaran samuttapya prasthitah. So rapidly do this Srinivas. Rama kutra prasthitah Ayodhyam. Saha kaihi vrutah suhrudbihi. Saha kena sadhanena pushpakena. Saha kim krutva utthapya. Saha kan samuttapya Vanaran. That's it. Okay. द्वितीयांशः पुष्पक विमान विषये पंचवाक्यानि लिखता अरे बाप रे दिस इज फॉर योर होमवर्क you write and get it to be pushpaka vimana so you can make a sentence like pushpaka vimanam vastutah ravanasya samipe nasit kuberasya asit parantu ravanena balatkarena svikrutam that is the background ante tenaiva vimanena pushpaka vimanena Ramah Ayodhyam praptavan. You can write now 5 sentences. Okay, I will see in the next class, Srinivas. This is homework for you. First time I am giving. Because every time I give my sentences, you will make. 5 sentences you can make now. Very simple. Pushpaka vimanam vastutah Ravanasya na asit. Pushpakam vimanam Pushpakam Kuberasya. Anantaram Ravanena Svikrutam. Balatkarena Svikrutam. Etc. etc. Whatever you want to write. Third. Kastambam Kastambena Yojayata. Now this is Stamba. What is Stamba? Columns, right? Devebhyaha. Oh, he is asking what that padam is like. Devebhyaha. Kha. 2. Panchami. That's it. You had a doubt, na? Mistake is given in the book also. Akaranta Strilinga, Panchami Bahuvachana, they gave Pratama Ekvachana. So, Panchami. Okay, 2. Samuthapya. Yavandam. Ka. First one. First one to the right. Ka. Third one. Sthitaha.
Asamastam Prathamantam.
Asamastam Prathamantam. Yeah, that is it. That is the only answer now available. Asamastam, not a compound, Prathamantam, first one. Okay. Fourth, Suhrud Vrataha. Samastam Prathamantam. This is a compound used in first case. Samastam Prathamantam means it's a compound word used in the nominative case. Pushpakena Tutiyandam, very simple. Second, Devebhyaha goes with Ka, Samuthapya goes with Ka, Sthitaha goes with Nya, Suhrud Vrataha goes with Gha, Pushpakena goes with Ga. Very simple. Then fourth, Srinivas, Ta Pratyantam. Pratyanta Shabdam Tavatu Pratyante Parivardhe. So this is very important actually in Sanskrit language. You should have good understanding of Ta and Tavatu, which is useful in Karmani and Kartari Prayoga, Srinivas. So try this. Prastitaha. It is, what is this Prastitaha? Tanta or Tavatvanta? Is Tanta. It is converted into Tavatu. Tanta is passive, Tavatu is active. Remember that. Prasthitavan. Both mean same sometimes. Prasthita started, Prasthitavan. Gataha. Very simple. Gatavan. Ramaha Ayodhyam Gataha. Ramaha Ayodhyam Gatavan. Gata. Linga has changed. Here gender has changed. Lingam Parivartita Mata. That's it. Gatavati. If it were to be converted into Tanta only, Strilinga, Gata is already then, Gatavati only. Gatavati. Good. Very good. You are learnt. Praptaha. Though gap is coming, you are not forgetting. So Praptaha is Tanta. Praptavan. Srutaha. Srutavan. Vrutaha. Vrutavan. Vrutaha surrounded. Suhrudbihi vrutaha, accompanied. Avrutaha, vruta, vruin, varane, vruin, vruin dhatu, vrutaha. So repeat once. Gataha, gata. Here only one Strilinga. Gata changes to Gatavati. Sita manam Gatavati. Okay? Praptaha, Praptavan. Srutaha, Srutavan. Supposing you change all these into Strilinga, Gataha, Gatavan, Gatavati. Praptaha, Praptavan, Praptavati. Srutaha, Srutavan, Srutavati. Vrutaha, Vrutavan, Vrutavati. That way it becomes. Panchamamsham, Antimamsham, Matra, Etat Samapayitum Shakyate, Manye, Samaya Astina, Nimeshadvayama. So, Devata, Kim Karaniya Matra, Shabda Rupam Purayata. Oh, you have to just write out the other forms here. One is done. Ka Devatayaha, Devatabhyam, Devatabhyaha. This is Panchami. We have seen. Devatayaha, Devatabhyam, Devatabhyah, that is the word Srinivas used in the poem, Devatebhyah varam prapya. Devatabhyah sandhi, Devatebhyah varam prapya. Now go with varam. Oh, just a minute. Varam. Varam is, I think, Pullinga Shabda. Yeah. Go with it. Varam is what? Dvitiya, Ekavachana. Complete?
Varam, Vare, Vara.
No, Varam is Pullinga Shabda. Varam is Pullinga, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Come here, I will show you. 308 page. Padaparichayam, చూడండి. See Padaparichayam. Second word, Akaranta. Varam. So Dvitiya you have to derive the other two forms. Vare you said, it is not Napumsaka, it sounds like that. Vara Shabda looks like, sounds maybe like Napumsaka. It is Pullinga Shabda. Varam Varau Varan. Varam Varau Varan. Devaha Devau. Devam Devau Devan. Come on, how can you forget Deva Shabda? If it were Napumsaka, Vare Varani. Okay, then. Go. Vanaran, very simple. Vanaram, Vanarau, Vanara. This is not for at this level test. But maybe the book is seeing whether you can do, forget or remember. Gha, Ayodhyam. What is Vibhakti? This is Dvitiya only. Yeah, go it. Like Sitam. Kanyam. Ayodhyam. Ayodhye. Ayodhyaha. Remember, what is the Akaranta Strilinga Shabda we studied? Kanya. Sita, Site, Sitaha. Sitam, Site, Sitaha. Kanya Shabda. Kanya, Kanye, Kanyaha. Dvitiya. Kanyam, Kanye, Kanyaha. Ayodhyam, Ayodhye, Ayodhyaha. Okay, then Prasthitaha. Prasthitaha. This is Prathama Ekavachana. Prasthitaha, Prasthitau, Prasthitaha. Devaha Devau, Devaha like. Ramaha, very simple. Ramau, Ramaha. Pushpakena. Bhyam, Pushpakaihi. This is Trutiya. Whether it is Napumsaka, Pullinga, we don't mind, care that. Because from Trutiya, Napumsaka and Pullinga both are same. Yeah. Pushpakena, Pushpakabhyam, Pushpakaihi. And the last one, Suhrudvrutaha. That's it. Suhrudvrutaha should be understood as Prathama Ekavachana. Suhrudvrutaha, Suhrudvrutau, Suhrudvrutaha. Evam, Puna Ekavaram, Shigragatya, Varam Varau Varan, Vanaram Vanarau Vanaran, Ayodhyam Ayodhye Ayodhyaha, Prasthitaha Prasthitau Prasthitaha, Ramaha Ramau Ramaha, Pushpakena Pushpakabhyam Pushpakaihi, Ante Suhrudvrutaha Vrutau Vrutaha iti. Evam अस्माकं द्विषष्टितमः अभ्यासः सुसम्पन्नः जातः. आगामि कक्षायां सप्ताशीतितमः श्लोकः पठिष्यते. शुभं भूयात्.